Hi, McKenna.
Hi.
Can you please start the dishwasher? Can you get the soap?
Oh
Okay, go for it. Go. Now what do you do?
yeah.
Twist it off? Where are you going to put it? Do you want to push the tray in? Push it in. Good. And now can you point to where you put the soap? Yep. Oop. Okay, so we're going to put that soap in there. Do you need help twisting that cap off, or can you do it?
I can't do it.
You can't, or you can?
I can.
Okay, you need my help?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it here. Let me put Daddy's hand down here. Oh, let's see here. Feet.
Can I do it?
Sure. Okay, 2 hands, okay? Whoa. Is any soap coming out? You see any soap?
Yeah.
Tell me when to stop. When it gets full, you say stop.
Stop.
Stop. Now what do we do?
Put in and put in and.
Oh, and the little other one? Oh, can you wipe that on your hand, on your shirt? Okay, now what? Close it, good. Push down on it hard. Did it click? Push harder, 2 hands. Good. Maybe try to twist it the other way. Until it's nice and tight. Good job. Now what? Where are you going? You didn't start the dishes yet. Don't you have to do something else?
Like what?
Well, you have to press the button, remember? Push it closed first. Push it, yeah, but push it closed.
Is it done?
No, you have to hear it click. Push harder. Here, let me help. Okay, now what about your cleanup? What do you have to close? All right, high five, McKenna. Boo.